Welcome to this tutorial on creating a property in Google Analytics 4. After logging into your Google account, the first thing you have to do on the welcome page of Google Analytics is locate the Start Measuring button and give it a click. Now, let's create an account. Simply enter your account name, which can be your business name or any name that makes it easy to identify the account later on. Then, click Next. It's time to create a property. A property in Google Analytics represents a website or app that you want to track. Go ahead and enter your property's name and remember to select your reporting time zone and currency. In this next step, let's provide some information about your business. This helps Google Analytics tailor the reports and insights specifically for your unique business. Now, let's choose your business objectives. Google Analytics has got you covered with various options to personalize your reports. Once you've selected it, just hit the Create button. Now, it's time to create a data stream. If you are running an online store, choose Web. In the next tab, fill in your website's URL and name your stream. Then, click the button Create Stream. You have to wait a little while for the Installation Instruction tab to